Hello and welcome everybody to another fragrance unboxing video. Today I'm trying a new perspective. Please let me know what you think about it. It's a little bit closer up, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. I think you will remember last time we looked at these two beautiful fragrances, Lone Star Memories and L'air du désert marocain. And today we have two new towers, which I ordered from FR Moda from Italy. And as you know, we have these two different packagings, the old one with the steel box and the new one, which is just cardboard. So I'm really curious which of these two packagings I will receive today. Let's have a look inside. An odd style of packaging. I think I have it got the wrong way around. Okay, go. So we've got some cosmetics, which whatever. Don't really care. Hopefully this is the good stuff. Let's get this out the way. Excuse the noise. So it's got a packaging within a packaging. Alright, here we go. And the question has been answered. So we've got the new packaging for number 5 and number 6. Let's see. Open these up carefully. So that's one. And then you need a knife for this one. It's not as tightly wrapped. Maybe you've seen a bit of a theme in the back for the non-tower fragrances. It will all be revealed soon, if you don't already know which ones these are. This is number 5, Incense Extrême. Again, the same signed tower card, beautiful. And then number 6 is Incense Rosé. So it's not rose, it's rosé. There's a little accent over the E. And this also is signed. So let's get these out of the packaging. And this is why we have different ones. So we've got the Amouage Rose Incense. So we have Incense Rosé and we have Rose Incense. We've got, from Comme des Garçons, we've got Kyoto, Ouarzazate and Zagorsk. Right, let's spray these on and see what we think. Start off with Incense Extrême. Same sprayers. Alright, so what do I get? It's, again, like all towers, it's a lot lighter and fresher than you would think for something called Incense Extrême, so extreme incense. You would think it would be like super smoky and dark, but it isn't. What it actually is it's got a decent amount of sweetness and something vegetable-like in there. It's like green. It's got a touch of sweetness, a touch of something clean, touch of that camphorous, minty type of quality that I get with a lot of towers. But it's dry, something a little bit herbal going on, something a little bit medicinal. something a little bit licorice, very, very, very nice. And actually, I've tried this from the sample, and I think it dries down to be a little bit like Zagorsk, where you get the sweet, cold iris and the incense together, and it kind of gets this like really mineralic, incensey quality, like dry and cold, incredibly cold. So Incense Extrême is not as cold as Zagorsk, but it has this similar, like walking into a very cold stone church. So you get that like mineralic stone that is just cold, and there's a bit of incense burning in the back. But in the top, it's quite vegetable, like it's got vegetal notes in there, like green stuff. I love it. Let's get to this one, which I will assume is quite different than this one. So why is it called Rosé? So something rosy about it. Ooh. Yep. It does, you know, it's funny. It evokes that idea of like a rose flower, but also a rosé champagne, like sparkly, effervescent, citrusy, like something like tangerine and grapefruit. It's quite tart. It's a lot lighter than Incense Extrême even. It's almost juicy. Sweeter too. I'm certain this will develop a lot. I'm certain this will not stay as it is. So in comparison, this one is a very big rose water with resinous incense and a big vanilla note in the back. It's extremely sweet, I think, compared to even Incense Rosé, and a lot heavier. So Incense Rosé is lighter. So I love it. Even though there's a lot less rose in this than this, it's still noticeable, and it complements the incense facets beautifully, and I'm so excited for the dry down on this one. Yeah, I think this one you can wear all year easily. It's got a bit of that citrus note from Orange Star, but it's not as sharp, not as turpentine-y, I would say. So the Orange Star unfortunately gives me a little bit of a cleaner vibe. This one like a yeah, how do you say it? Like a cleaner for cleaning up your I don't want to say what, like, but for cleaning up your house maybe. This one doesn't. This one has the citrus, but it's not that sharp citrus, and it's not quite as sweet, overpoweringly sweet as Orange Star is. And now it's getting a little bit of like a dusty quality as well. Super interesting, but you can tell it's kind of like almost like you took Orange Star, you turned down the citruses, and you added more resins and more herbal notes to it, and a little bit of that rose, that like red flower fruitiness, and dusty powdery rose. Okay, I won't keep you for much longer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Put your thoughts on what we looked at today in the comments, and yeah, until next time, thank you for watching.